Hi everyone, in this tutorial I will show you how to replace objects using the new Generative Fill in Affinity and honestly it works even better than Magic Edits on Canva. First just open Affinity and import your image like this, and then next just switch to the Pixel Studio, and then next just go to Selections tool, and then in here I'm using the Selections Brush tool, and then just carefully select your area that you want to change the object like this. Like this, for example, like this, and then next once the selection is ready, just click on Generative Fill, this one, just open it, and then on here just type what you want the object to become. For example, I will changing this flower into a rose, so I will just type like this, and then after that just adjust the image count that you want. For example, I will make it to 3 image, and then after that just click on apply. Okay, like this you will get 3 results since you choose 3 image, and then just choose the one that you like this. I think the second picture is the best result, and after that when you're done just close the windows, and like this I think the result it looks good and it blends perfectly into the scenes. And then if you compare it with Canva's output like this, you'll notice that Affinity result looks much cleaner, I think, and more refined. And okay, that's how easy it is. Generative fill in Affinity is definitely a better way to replace objects quickly and professionally. Okay, if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.